ਹੈਲੋ ਦੋਸਤੋ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਨਵੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੀ ਰਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਕਰੀ ਸੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਨਸਰ ਦੀ, ਉਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੀ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੀਅਸ ਈਅਰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਇਹ 2014 ਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹ 2013 ਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੈਪਟਰ 5 ਦੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਸਮ ਗਲਿੰਪਸ ਆਫ ਏਂਸ਼ੀਅੰਟ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਥੋਟਸ ਐਂਡ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸਿਸ। ਇਸ ਦਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ 1 ਹੈ, what caused depression to the gods? There was a fight between demons and the gods. Demon seems have an upper hand. It caused depression to the gods. Second question है, what did Lord Vishnu advise the gods to do? Lord Vishnu advised the gods to get a mighty sword prepared from the bones of some great sage. Question 3 है, what was the sacrifice of Sant Dichi? He laid down his life. His bones could be made into an invisible weapon for the gods. Is the fourth question है, what is the real spirit behind the yajnas performed in our homes? It is the spirit of charity, reunification, sacrifices and detachment. Question 5 है, what does the traditions of feeding bird and animals prove? It proves that the peoples of our country believe in the unity and sanctity of life. Is the question 6 है, why did scholars laugh at Ashtavakra? Ashtavakra had a deformed body. He looked very ugly. Therefore, some scholars laughed at him. Is the question 7th है, how did Ashtavakra react when some scholars laughed at him? Ashtavakra became very angry. He called them skinners because they measured the worth of persons from the skin. This is the question 8th है, what did Vivekananda say to lady who laughed at his simple dress? He said that it was the tailor who made a man in the lady's country, but in our country it was the real worth and character of person that matters. Question 9th है, what was the status of women in ancient India? In ancient India, women enjoyed a high status. No auspicious function was considered complete without their participation. Is the question 10th है, why did Shivaji bow his head before the woman who was brought to him as a gift? Shivaji had a great regard for women. He looked upon them as his mother. That was why he called the woman mother and bowed his head before her. Is the question 7th है, why according to you were the wars fought in Mahabharata and Ramayana sacred? These wars fought to defend and uphold the honor of motherhood. That was why they were considered sacred. इस चैप्टर का लास्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, what Lord Rama's meeting with a Bail woman eating the tasted berries? It shows that in ancient India there was never any discrimination on the basis of caste, creed and profession. ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੋਮ ਕਮਿੰਗ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਦੇ ਚੈਪਟਰ 6 ਦੇ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗੇ ਹਾਂ। ਦੋਸਤੋ, ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੀਅਸ ਈਅਰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਹਨ। ਇਹ 2013, 14, 15, 19 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਆ, ਬਲਕਿ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ 2022 ਦੇ ਪੇਪਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਨ। ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੋਸਤਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰੋ। ਚੱਲ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। Who was Fatik? Fatik was a 14-year-old boy. He was the ringleader among the boys of his village. His fertile mind always thought of new mischiefs. Question 2nd, what was the new mischiefs Fatik thought of? There was a log lying on the bank of river. He planned to roll the log away with the help of other boys. In the way, he wanted to annoy the owners and enjoy the fun. This is the question 3 है, Why were Patix and his friend annoyed with Makhan? Patix and other boys wanted to roll the log away, but Makhan came and sat down on the log. This annoyed Fatik and his friends. Question 4 है, what was the Fatik's new maneuver? Fatik asked his follower to roll the log with Makhan sitting over it. This he thought would give them added amusement. इसका क्वेश्चन 5 है, why did Fatik beat Makhan even in the presence of his mother? Makhan lied to his mother that Fatik had beaten him. Fatik could not bear this, therefore they beat Makhan. इसका क्वेश्चन 6 है, why did Fatik's mother wanted to send him away to her brother's house? The mother had prejudice against Fatik. She thought he would someday drown Makhan in the river or break his head in fight, therefore she wanted to send him away. How was Fatik received by his auntie? This aunt was not at all pleased. She thought of Fatik as an unnecessary addition to her family. Is the question 8th है, why could Fatik do well at school? Fatik was illiterate at his uncle's house. He always said he could not put his mind to his studies naturally. He could not do well at school. Is the question 9th है, why did Bishambar send for his sister? Fatik was seriously ill. The doctor said that the boy's condition was critical. That was why Bishambar sent for his sister. Is the question 10th है, what were Fatik's last word? एक बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. Fatik's last words were, mother, the holidays have come. ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਦਾ थर्ड चैप्टर बुक का चैप्टर नंबर 7 थर्ड चैप्टर करन लगे हाँ. What are planets? A body that goes around a star is called a planet. For example, sun is the star and the earth goes around it. Thus the earth is planet of the sun. Second question है, define solar system. The solar system means the family of sun. It includes sun, planets and satellite of these planets. Question 3 है, how can you distinguish between planets and stars? Stars twinkle while planet doesn't. This is the real way to distinguish between planets and stars. Why do stars twinkle? Stars, like the sun, are ball of fire. All their ray passes through the different layers of the atmosphere. They seems to be twinkle. Is the fifth question है, how was the earth formed? Earth shoot out from the sun. In the beginning it was very hot. It looks millions of years to cool down. Question 6 है, what does moon look bigger than the sun? The moons look bigger than the star because it is quite near to the earth. बुक का चैप्टर नंबर 8 रूल्स ऑफ द रोड करन लगे यहाँ. Why was the stout lady walking down middle of the road? Middle of the road. She thought she had liberty to walk everywhere she liked. She said no, they had got liberty. Question number 2 है, how was the stout lady mistaken about liberty? She failed to understand that if every man were free to do what he liked, there would be no freedom at all. There would be a choice everywhere. Question 3 है, why does a policeman at Piccadilly Circus symbolize? He symbolizes that the true meaning of liberty. He puts a little checks on our personal liberty so that there is a social liberty. Fourth question है, can we do whatever we feel like doing? Liberty is not a personal affair. It is a social contract. So we can't be free to do whatever we like. Question 5th है, what was the writer reading during the journey? He was reading a blue book. Why did writer need a reasonable silence in the compartment? The writer was reading the book for pleasure. He was reading it for a serious purpose. That was why he need a reasonable silence. Question 7th है, who disturbed the author on the train? Two passengers boarded the train. One of them kept talking loudly. The author couldn't concentrate on the books he wanted to read. What was the intruding passenger talking of? He was talking of any particular things. He was taking of any and every subjects under the sun. ਦੋਸਤੋ ਬਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਹੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰੇ ਹਾਂ। ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੈਂਟਰਲ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਰ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ, ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਬਾਕਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਲਿਖ ਦੇਣਾ। ਮੈਂ ਉਸ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾ ਦੇਵਾਂਗਾ। ਅਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੇ ਪੇਪਰ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਆਪਣਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦਾ ਪੇਪਰ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ, ਉਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੋਵੇ। ਇਸ ਆਖਰੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਇਹੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹਾਂਗਾ, ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੰਟੈਂਟ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਇਸ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰ ਲਓ, ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਅਤੇ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰੋ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।